Welcome to Aura Career Launcher, a coaching institute for HSLC and NEET Standard 11 and 12. We are introducing HSLC crash course for 6 weeks starting from 9th January 2021. We provide live interactive session with our well-experienced teachers, examination technique, past HSLC questions papers analysis, well-structured study materials exclusively for the upcoming HSLC exam 2021, also online test to help prepare for HSLC exam from the comfort of home.
So this is your radius, this is your center O ne hairasiko, and this is your radius R1. This is na inner radius ko. Then this is the outer radius na this is your R2, where kanana charoni that obviously R2 will be greater than that is the outer radius will be greater than the inner radius. Adui taragati huzik volumes si manung is empty space ni ko. So that means metallic content si damte yaw idunyeba outside si the yaw idunyeba sigi karai reason the sigi reasons the metallic content. That the volume hot ke hai taradi. It should only be concerning sigi blue part sigi oidunyeba metallic content is the filled or yaw never whatever coke yaw gera ama yaw gera ko ona tragana moina metallic lid na sagera loinamak metallic content ko gantara ko. Aduna sigi this all concerning about volume the concern taweba. Akhoi sigi sphere sigi hollow sphere sigi volume hot ke hai tardi it's what volume whole outer volume do adudagi kana minus to duino inner volume se minus to duino that is kana no we know that volume of a sphere is 4/3 right pi r cube. Now if outer radius ke no r2 so the kamai launi in the volume sigi net volume the kya tarani net volume will be 4/3 right pi r2 cube minus 4/3 pi r1 cube. Now from this we can common law we can take right 4/3 pi common and r2 cube minus r1 cube. So this sige net volume is the period is the period 4/3 pi r2 square minus r2 cube minus r1 cube. So here if r1 and r2 the phrase wise thing is if r1 and r2 are respectively the inner and outer radii of a spherical shell, or that you can say it's a hollow sphere then the volume of the material inside the cell material to have the cork or wooden material or the plastic material or metallic lead na sagera is kana adugi material dugi volume the 4/3 pi r2 cube minus r1 cube in unit in cubic meters. So now see khangi hana galorga next next will be concerning a hollow cylinder go aduna sigi hollow cylinder gide kam haina putokani. Similarly the same concept akoina mamang the sijanagi ba same concept adudum sida utilize tawduni karino hai taragadi sigi outer cylinders sidagi inner cylinders se kedorba magi volume just subtract tawduni ba. Now I sigi inner radius in for example this we take it as say on and lower sina r1 and sigi outer radii is in this as r2. So the net volume of the material sigi hollow cylinders the yaw duise kaino hai taragadi very simple. We know that volume of a cylinder is pi r square h right. This is a net volume putoki hai tari since it is a hollow cylinder that means hollow itari maraki is empty. So there are orange color portions empty space within it. It's filled with air. The empty space the materials embedded within the two spheres two cylinders materials volume it should be volume of kanano nangi outer cylinder dagi minus inner cylinder. Outer cylinder radius pi r2 square h minus pi r1 square h. So it's very simple right. Height the change later it's the same cylinder so pi h common law then r2 square minus r1 square. So this will be your net volume of the material inside the hollow cylinder. So pi h r2 square minus r1 square. So definition wise if r1 and r2 if R1 and R2 are respectively the internal and external radii of cylindrical cell, which is what? Hollow, right? Hollow cylinder of height h, then the volume of the material in the shell is given by this. This is the net. Kram haina lakhin have the khange. So akoi se gyan tare na loraga clear oire and loraga husi. So is applied oraga question application based question yeng se ko. So here the first question is, so the first question here is a solid cone of diameter 14 centimeter, right? So a solid.
For more details, scan the QR code. You can visit our website www.auracareerlauncher.com for registration. Download our app Aura EduPad or contact us to our WhatsApp number 6009 063 622 or 6009 039 770. Well, we have started our registration, so what are you waiting for? Join now.